Welcome to Japan. Here, even a few seconds delay carries meaning. Japan's public transportation is renowned for its world-class punctuality. Like a clock, trains run with perfect precision. If a train is delayed by even a minute or two, the staff and drivers apologize sincerely and courteously. This is a testament to their respect for your time. This meticulous service ethic leaves international visitors greatly astonished. It's a unique blend of efficiency and heartfelt care that is distinctly Japanese. Seconds-level apologies are just one example of Japan's commitment to service excellence. Next time you ride a train in Japan, experience this wonderful culture for yourself. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.